everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a few days ago, Adidas and Neighborhood collab dropped. I tried copying it online. I was on Adidas.ca since 9:30, keep clicking on it. They said release at 10 a.m. I keep clicking at it, and then a few minutes later, all I know is that it says sold out. Like it keeps saying coming soon, 10 a.m. then it went to sold out. I don't know what happened in between. But luckily I went to nrml.ca and they came through. So I was able to order my pair at the right sizing. Thank you to my friend John who told me to get 10.5 on this one instead of 10, because that Iniki are made a little bit more narrow than Ultra Boost or NMD. So lucky I listened to him, and yeah, listen to your friends, guys. Alright, so let me show you the shoes real quick. On the paper, there's only Adidas branding, no Neighborhood. I was a little surprised, unlike Jordan's where they actually put some details onto the paper. But yeah, Adidas were never strong at that part. They're more on the shoes than the packaging. So first thing first, you notice it says Neighborhood printed on one of the stripes. It's not embroidered, it's printed on it, and you have the Boost in black. Yes, that is what caught my eye. And other details in the toe box area, or the little detail parts, they're all in suede, and the quality of the suede is actually pretty good, to be honest. And you see a lot of that sawtooth kind of cutting all the way through the details. And let me show you the outsole real quick. So in the bottom outsole, you'll see Adidas branding, no Neighborhood branding at all. I don't know why, but yeah. At the back, you see BRGD on the right shoe, and you have the plastic cage on this model, unlike the OG Iniki where it's just a piece of suede with no support at all. This actually helps the support of your ankle. And here again, you see all those sawtooth all around the stripes. And let me show you the tongue real quick. You have the label printed on it, no embroidery again, it's just a printing Adidas Neighborhood, and the tongue does not remove, it's a fake tongue. So it does help a little bit when you want to remove the shoe, but it cannot be removed. It's stretched a little bit, that's all. And in the insole area, it says Adidas Neighborhood. That's probably the biggest branding you see on the whole shoe, and you cannot remove the insole. It's stuck right there, stay there forever. And the sizing label here, you see it's a 10.5, unlike my usual sizing, which is a 10 for most prime knit shoe. And lucky I went with 10.5 because all else it will be way too snug for me. And what else I have here on the shoelaces, shoe tips, no brand at all, just some regular black shoelaces. They don't come with any extra pairs either. And let's take a look at the left shoe, same thing, black Boost, and the biggest difference is the back, which has NBHD Neighborhood on the left shoe and BRGD on the right shoe. So that is the only difference between the left and right. They both have Neighborhood on one of the stripe on the sides, and you have the front in white. That is because the outsole is in white, so it wraps all the way to the tip, to the toe area. And what else we have here? Black Boost all around, and some people actually said that the boosts of the Inikis are the same one as the R1. So let me show you something. I have a pair of R1 right here. That's the OG R1, and let me compare with the Iniki. So you see the R1 and you see Iniki. It's not exactly the same. It's not the same. Look at the back. The R1 is a little bit diagonal, and on the Iniki it's flat. It's not the same. And the thickness of the boost, look at the Iniki, look at the R1. The Iniki is actually thicker than the R1, so I would expect that the Iniki be a little bit more bouncy and hopefully more comfortable than the R1, because personally I don't like how the R1 feels. It feels way too thin. And also one thing I forgot to mention, the upper is in prime knit, not a super stretchy like the Ultra Boost 3.0, but a good prime knit that is breathable and that you could wear all summer without sweating like a pig, man. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. I only caught one of the 4 pairs that they dropped because the R1 was way too wild, the other 2 I don't care about, and this is the one that I really like, to be honest. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye bye.